Hi, I'm Xanthe Clay, and I'm going to show you how to make Indian-inspired stuffed poori. Peel a potato, cut it into tiny cubes. Place in a pan of boiling salted water and cook for 10 minutes or so until tender. Cut an 8 cm chunk of cucumber in half and scoop out the seeds with a teaspoon. Slice the rest into 1/2 cm wide sticks and then across into cubes. Cut a medium-sized tomato in half and scoop out the inside with a teaspoon. Chop the red outer flesh into 1/2 cm cubes. Chop a spring onion finely. Put the potato, tomato, cucumber, spring onion and a small bunch of coriander in a bowl. Then add a teaspoon of masala chaat spices, a generous pinch of salt and the juice of 1/2 lime. Mix all the ingredients together. Break an opening in the top of each poori with a teaspoon. Pop 1/2 teaspoon of yoghurt in each poori, then add a spoonful of the salad, a coriander leaf or 2, and a drizzle of brown sauce or tamarind chutney. Gorgeous, spicy, savoury mouthfuls. Just delicious.